Jubilance.
Hello friends, let's see how to draw one cake. Take a pencil and scale. Draw a sleeping line. Draw two standing lines and make a rectangle as shown in the video. We will see 3-layer cakes. This is second layer. And this is first layer. Then draw some downwards wave as shown in the video on all the 3 layers. For decoration, draw 3 cherry fruits and candles. Now take a marker and highlight. Highlight everywhere as shown in the video. Now erase all the pencil marks. Now color time: yellow color for candles, red color for cherries, pink color for candle, and orange for candle, brown color for the decorations, which gives a chocolatey look. Orange color for first layer cake. Pink color for second layer cake. And for third layer cake, we are going to give yellow, red, pink, blue, orange and dark blue to make it more colorful. Cake is ready. Again highlight with markers.